Hi, I'm Loretta of Loretta Makes a Million. I'm the one taking a challenge to make $1 million in profit from trading options over the next number of years. Today you are watching video number 7, Iron Condors. You should have already watched videos 1 through 6. Before we get started, I want everyone to understand that this video is for educational purposes only. I am not a registered investment advisor. I am not offering investment advice. Please be aware that there is risk and potential losses associated with options trading. If you're watching this video on YouTube, then come to my website, lorettamakes-a-million.com. There you can sign up for my free newsletter to stay up to date on my trades, helpful hints exclusively on my site, and other exciting information. In this video, we will discuss what is an iron condor, and we will take a look at a profit and loss chart for an iron condor. Let us begin. What is an iron condor? In the last video, we learned how credit spreads work and why we use them. In this video, we will combine two credit spreads, a put credit spread and a call credit spread, to form an iron condor. Here we have a put credit spread. On January 30th, 2015, Google is trading at around $540. You sell one contract of the Google March 2015 490 put strike, and you buy one contract of the Google March 2015 480 put strike for a net credit of 95 cents. The width of the credit spread is 10. You subtract the 480 put strike from the 490 put strike, which would give you a width of 10. What is the risk of this credit spread? If you said $9.05 or $905, you would be correct. Here is how the risk or maximum loss of a credit spread is derived. You subtract the 95-cent credit from the width of the spread, which is 10, which would equal $9.05. $9.05 times 100 shares of Google would give you a risk or maximum loss of $905. The maximum profit is $95. You take the 95-cent credit times 100 shares of Google, which would equal $95. Let us assume that Google is currently trading at $540. You will note that if the price of Google goes up, that there is no risk to the upside, and the position will make money. If the price of Google goes down, you have the risk of losing money. All the risk of the put credit spread is to the downside. If you are in a put credit spread, you want the price of the underlying to go up. A put credit spread is a directional trade. It makes money if the market goes up, stays the same, or goes down slightly and goes down slowly. It has no risk to the upside and all the risk to the downside. If you are in a put credit spread, you want the price of the underlying to go up. A call credit spread is also a directional trade. It makes money if the market goes down, stays the same, or goes up slightly and goes up slowly. It has no risk to the downside and all the risk to the upside. If you are in a call credit spread, you want the price of the underlying to go down. Many traders like to configure their positions to be market neutral. Market neutral simply means that at the start of the trade, the upside and the downside risk are very close to equal. Market neutral traders want the market to be flat or go sideways. So how do we accomplish that here? If we add a call credit spread to our put credit spread, we create a market neutral trade. This is known as an iron condor. We are short a put and call and long a put and call in the same option month on the same underlying. Let us add a call credit spread to our put credit spread. You sell one contract of the Google March 2015 590 call strike and you buy one contract of the Google March 2015 600 call strike for an overall iron condor credit of $1.40. 95 cents, the credit you received from the put credit spread, plus 45 cents, the credit you received from the call credit spread, would equal an iron condor credit of $1.40. Here's a few things to notice. We now have a total credit of $1.40 versus 95 cents. The difference is the additional credit from the added call credit spread. The maximum loss is $860. Here is how the maximum loss for an iron condor is derived. You subtract $1.40, the credit, from the width of the spread, which is 10, which would equal $8.60. $8.60 times 100 shares of Google would give you a maximum loss of $860. The maximum profit increases to $140. Here is how the maximum profit for an iron condor is derived. $1.40 credit times 100 shares of Google would give you a maximum profit of $140. Notice that the white line, the profit and loss chart of today, is nearly flat at the money. We will make money from this position from the passage of time and not from the movement of the underlying. In fact, the best thing for us now is that the underlying stay in a fairly tight trading range over the next few weeks. This will let our iron condor remain market neutral as time goes by. Iron condors make more money as time goes by. Let us see what happens to the white line on the profit and loss chart as time goes by. I am going to advance the time on the chart by a couple of weeks. You will notice that the white line is closest to the red line in the at the money areas. As time goes by and we get closer to expiration, the white line gets closer to the red line. The closer the white line is to the red line, the more money we can make. When we open an iron condor, we open it for a net credit. When we close an iron condor, we close it for a net debit. As long as the closing debit is less than the opening credit, we make money. Now you can see how put credit spreads, which make money when the market rises, and call credit spreads, which make money when the market drops, can be combined into an iron condor to make money in a flat or sideways moving market. Let us take one more look at the profit and loss chart of an iron condor. Let us review what we have learned in this video. Combining two credit spreads, a put credit spread and a call credit spread, forms an iron condor. Put credit spreads are directional. They want the market to go up. Call credit spreads are directional. They want the market to go down. Iron condors are non-directional or market neutral. They want the market to be flat or sideways. That's it for this video. Stay tuned for more educational videos. Thanks for joining me on my $1 million journey.